Ghost movies are fun till the time they don't give you the nightmares, and it becomes more fun when it gives you the nightmares. One question which has been a point of debate is that ghost exists or not. Is there any afterlife after death? These are the questions which needs some scientific evidence to get a nod. My name is Ankush and today on my channel Bolly Friday, I am here by reviewing the Thai movie Ghost Lab, which is released on Netflix today. This 2-hour movie is the first production from Thailand which has been released on Netflix. The movie has a potential plot, but it does not belong to an exceptional category. Though Thai horror films have always been a source of pride for that country, with its rich culture driven, full of mythology and homegrown folklore storylines, Thai films are internationally recognized, especially when it comes to tale from beyond the grave. If we talk about the movie plot in general, it's about two doctors who witness some haunting and supernatural activities in their hospital, and then they decide to find out one of the biggest secrets of the universe, that whether the ghost exists or not. They become dangerously obsessed with obtaining scientific proof that the ghost exists. The film stars Thanapab and Paris as V and Gla, doctors who work together and are determined to prove that ghosts really do exist after witnessing paranormal activity at their hospital. In the process, they spook themselves with a series of experiments and different sinister methods, from traveling to an abandoned house believed to be full of spirits and performing a ritual to make ghosts appear, to attempting to kill one of their cancer patients in order to see a ghost, and even trying to jump off a building to bring themselves closer to the afterlife. It's a movie about obsession. The character Gla is a doctor who encounters what he believes to be a ghost. The occurrence sparks a desire to find proof of ghosts and of an afterlife, a mission that becomes even more reckless and dangerous. Gla then decides to team up with V, who shares the same curiosity and goal, to be the first people that are able to solve the unanswerable puzzle. The pair then breach all the medical ethics, putting their sanity and their own lives at risk to prove that the paranormal activity is real. The fixation and the extreme obsession of the friends will bring them into a deep rabbit hole that can cost their friendships, loved ones, and even their lives. The storyline is quite unconventional because it attempts a deeper exploration of our belief in the supernatural and whether this can be proven by science. It encourages the audience to contemplate their ways of life and find the answers to their questions. The movie is good in parts and silly in others. The actors are good in some scenes, but they just go overboard and looks like overacting. The twists and turns are decent enough to hook the audience for a time pass, but not for a wow experience. The film pace is a bit slow. So overall, a good concept and good acting made this movie an average time pass affair. Nothing very good, but lot of goods and a lot of flaws too. So watch this movie and share your experience. I'll give this movie 5.5 out of 10. There's a dialogue in this movie which is quite apt for the other movies also, and like how we want to see any movie. As we live our lives, we must continue to explore until our very last day. So if you liked my video, do subscribe to my channel and also share your comments in the comment section. I'll meet you again very soon. Till then, bye bye.